Hi, my gifted chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to roast a whole chicken. As I was learning to cook, I felt like if I could make a chicken for my family that they enjoyed, I had succeeded in my culinary journey. What I used to prepare this was a whole chicken, of course, an onion, olive oil, and poultry seasoning, plus good old salt and pepper. The poultry seasoning is a blend of dried sage, thyme, and onion powder. With that said, let's start cooking. Start off by quartering a whole onion. You want to cut through the root stem, which will keep it from falling apart. You'd like to keep it intact so that you can remove it easily after the chicken's been cooked through. The root end is what keeps it holding it together. Next, quarter a lemon, but try to avoid squeezing it so that the juices remain intact. You want that juice to help flavor the chicken. Next, we're going to stuff the cavity with the onion and the lemon slices. Alternate between onion, then lemon, then onion, and so forth. You can also insert some fresh herbs if you have them. Instead of lemon, you can use an orange or lime or some other citrus. Then we're going to drizzle on some olive oil. Work that around with your hands or a brush if you don't feel like touching the chicken. If you do touch the chicken, be sure to wash your hands after. Then we're going to season the bird. This is where you can get really creative. I'm just seasoning with salt, pepper, and the poultry seasoning blend, but feel free to go wild here. I think the main point is to make sure that it's just seasoned generously. I gotta say, I'm not affiliated with this poultry seasoning company. I just really love it. I've used it on duck and turkey as well, and they've all come out beautifully. Once you're content with your seasoning of choice, be sure to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the bird for 90 minutes. This is what it looks like once it's done. Take it out and enjoy. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!